This is authentic.
No, it's boutique.
You can
It's
Ayos na rin.
boutique.
oh, ang ganda. Room for rent na. Pinaparentahan pa.
It is boutique, you know? Boutique is boutique.
In 200 meters,
We are in Taal.
continue straight.
Welcome to Taal, the heritage town. Wow.
See?
See?
Oh, may bandila.
Wow, see? It's all old
see.
houses.
Continue straight.
Welcome to Taal.
Welcome to the Alpo
It's
Petite.
old houses. Wow.
See?
Daming mga old houses pa rin dito.
Head northwest.
May mga lahat. Oh, see? Old house.
Wow, very ugly old house.
Sikat.
Ba't may mga bandila siya?
Old.
Wow, very ugly
Rural
old
bank.
house.
Look, kuya, the old bank also.
Wow, very ugly old house.
Sikat. Ito, bandila.
Look,
Wow, very ugly old house.
what's this? The Taal Church.
Yan yung
Hey,
Taal Church.
look, the Taal Church. We can go there later, okay?
See?
We will check there later, okay?
Ito. Ayun ang kay Mario Aquino. Yung
Wow, very ugly old house.
Punta tayo dyan mamaya.
Wow, very
Casa
nice.
de Marino.
Beautiful.
Ito.
Anong meron dyan sa Casa de Marino?
In Apolinario Mabini.
Asaan?
Ayan. Yes, oh, see? Look.
Pedro.
See?
Good morning. It's the next day.
Parinin na.
Parinin na sa Sinsay
na.
na. Ano yung Sinsay na?
Today
Paano punta ka
it is
dito?
Friday.
Rizal College of Taal. See? The college here. See? It's college.
Daddy, drive faster.
No, I want to see all the building. Look, why old house? There is a bandila.
Wow, very ugly old house.
Sikal. It's good, see? Nice.
Wow, very ugly old house.
Pitikin ko ilong mo.
Wow,
See?
very ugly old house.
I want that
Daddy,
house.
Ha?
Bakura ko.
Ano?
Suka daw siya. Buksan mo yung bintana mo. Tayo ka na! Bakwar ako. Diyan o, sa basurahan nyo. Yung sa mga plastic.
Oh, Mama, there's hole there.
Hawakan mo yung plastic.
But Mama, there's hole there. I cannot. Open the window.
Yung plastic ng sapatos, babe.